We needed more power in electrification, or in the electrical motor, if we only had one motor. So, hence we came up with a dark matter. It features our rack seal flux technology that we patented for the electric motor, but it now has 6 phases. It's the world's first 6-phase e-motor for automotive use. Imagine a motor so small it could fit in your backpack, yet so powerful it could launch a 4-seat car faster than a Bugatti. No gears, no noise, no wasted energy, just pure controlled force. Sounds impossible, right? But that's exactly what Sweden's most secretive engineer has built. It's called dark matter, and it's about to shake the foundation of the entire electric car industry. How did Koenigsegg do it? And why? Are companies like Tesla and BYD suddenly watching closely? Stick with us to the end to find out. The engineer who builds the impossible. While Tesla was becoming a household name and legacy, automakers poured billions into electric dreams. One Swedish engineer ignored the entire playbook. Christian von Koenigsegg doesn't chase trends. He breaks them. He builds what others say can't be built. And when he's done, the impossible looks routine. Music. His story doesn't start in a family, garage, or an engineering lab. It begins with a 5-year-old boy in Sweden who didn't just play with toys. He took them apart to understand how they worked. At 5, he made a declaration that most adults dismissed as fantasy. I'm going to make the fastest car in the world. 40 years later, he proved it. In 1994, with no investors, no factory, and no reason to believe it could work, he founded Koenigsegg Automotive, a supercar company born from obsession, not opportunity. When he unveiled the CC prototype, experts couldn't believe it was real. But it was. And it marked the start of a new kind of competition, one built on precision. That precision has created some of the most radical automotive breakthroughs in modern history. When others added gears, Koenigsegg removed them entirely with direct drive. When others made engines bigger, he shrank them and replaced camshafts with free valve technology, software control, precision that redefined efficiency. While others relied on steel, Koenigsegg built carbon fiber monocoques so strong they changed crash safety standards. Every invention came from one question: why are we doing it this way? That defiance turned a small Swedish workshop into a company that makes Ferrari cautious and Bugatti nervous. From the CCR's world speed record to the Agera RS hitting 277.9 miles per hour and the Regera's gearbox-free hybrid system, Koenigsegg has never stopped pushing boundaries. Yet for Christian, speed was never the goal. It was proof of concept. So while the auto world rushed to chase electric power, Christian asked a different question. What if everything we think we know about electric motors is wrong? That single question led to years of secret development. The result was a machine that broke every rule of electric propulsion. They called it dark matter. And when they finally revealed the specifications, competitors checked their math multiple times because the numbers seemed impossible. Why dark matter means more than you think. Koenigsegg could have named their motor PowerCore or Hypervolt like everyone else, but they chose dark matter for a reason that reveals everything about what they built. In physics, dark matter is the invisible force holding galaxies together. Scientists know it exists because they can measure its effects. Galaxies rotate, stars orbit, entire cosmic structures hold their shape, but they can't see it, touch it, or directly detect it. Dark matter makes up most of the universe's mass, yet it remains completely hidden, influencing everything around it through pure, invisible strength. Koenigsegg's motor works the same way. It's compact enough to hide in places you wouldn't expect. It runs silently, producing no engine roar and no mechanical drama. From the outside, it looks unassuming, almost ordinary. But the moment it activates, everything changes. The car doesn't just accelerate, it transforms, launching forward with a force that feels supernatural because there's no warning or sound preparing you for what's about to happen. Most electric motors telegraph their power. You hear cooling fans spinning up, feel the weight of massive battery packs beneath you, and sense the physical bulk of the drivetrain. Dark matter eliminates all of that. That's why the name isn't marketing creativity or clever branding. It's technically accurate. Like cosmic dark matter, controlling galactic motion without being seen. Koenigsegg's motor controls the car's movement without the bulk, weight, or noise that typically accompanies this level of power. And once you understand what dark matter truly represents, the next question becomes inevitable. How powerful is it, really? The specifications that break the rules. Imagine lifting an engine that weighs as much as a carry-on suitcase, yet produces 800 horsepower and 1,250 Newton meters of torque. That's the dark matter motor, a 39-kilogram powerhouse that embarrasses electric motors twice its size. Here's where physics should have said impossible. But Koenigsegg's engineering team apparently didn't get the message. Those numbers sound wrong because they violate everything the automotive industry has accepted as normal for electric motor design. The power-to-weight ratio tells the real story. Dark matter delivers approximately 20 horsepower per kilogram. Think about what that means. For every kilogram of motor weight, you get 20 horsepower of output. Most electric motors in production vehicles manage between 2 and 3 kilowatts per kilogram, which translates to roughly 3 to 4 horsepower per kilogram. Dark matter multiplies that standard by 5. Tesla's Model S Plaid uses 3 electric motors to achieve its performance. Each motor weighs approximately 30 kilograms and produces around 300 horsepower. That's 3 motors totaling 90 kilograms, delivering 900 horsepower combined. Dark matter produces 800 horsepower from a single unit weighing 39 kilograms. One motor does what takes Tesla 3 and does it with less than half the total weight. The Rimac Nevera, currently one of the world's most powerful electric hypercars, uses 4 motors, producing a combined 1,914 horsepower. Combined motor weight exceeds 150 kilograms. Dark matter produces nearly half that power at roughly 1/4 the weight. The efficiency gap isn't incremental, it's generational. Look at the Porsche Taycan Turbo S, widely respected for its engineering excellence. Its motors produce a combined 750 horsepower from units, weighing approximately 100 kilograms total. Dark matter exceeds that power output while weighing 61 kilograms less. The weight savings alone could improve handling, reduce energy consumption, and allow engineers to optimize vehicle balance in ways that weren't previously possible. But raw power numbers only tell part of the story. Dark matter's maximum rotational speed reaches 8,500 revolutions per minute,